Good morning, you guys. Today is day 21, episode 21. I'm making breakfast so that my kids can go to school. Had breakfast to go to school this morning. However, it is already 7:20. So we are sure that we're going to be late today, but it's okay. I'm not going to beat myself up about it. It is what it is. Alright guys, so kids went to school and now I'm actually in the pickup line about to pick up Ace. It is about another 23-minute wait or so, yeah. Oh, August said he's back there doing his homework. Can I show them your homework? And this is his homework. Hopefully y'all can see it because the sun's so bright. There you go.
It's a bit
Yeah. They're going to love that homework, Augie. You did a good job. Alright, so August wanted to come out to stretch his legs a little bit before we go in. We had been in the car all day, so he insisted on coming to the playground. Ace is taking a nap. Huh? You want me to come in there? Okay. Only for a few seconds, okay? Because Ace is in the car asleep.
Okay.
He's not gonna be like, Mom, where are you?
Oh, careful. You okay?
Yeah.
Unless he recognizes wherever you are.
Listen, Harry's harassing me about the Maryland turf. What that guy's even doing?
Right, as if you care about any sports from the get-go.
Exactly.
What if I order a
Guys be thinking everybody all in the sports like them. And that if you from somewhere, that mean that's your team and they gonna dog you out.
I don't care to that stuff because of you.
Yeah, I always been that way. I don't care about no sports. You better take me shopping. Give me my hair done and my nails done. I don't care about no sports.
I want to go to a NFL game, a football game.
I mean, now that I got all these boys, I guess I'm gonna have to start doing a little something in that arena. But I ain't got time for that. Okay, let me see you do your dance for the vlog. That ain't no dance. That is. That's a run jump.
Mom,
What?
maybe when I get my $20, I go order a basketball for Timu as well.
Mm-hmm.
A basketball.
Yeah.
You can get that from the Family Dollar. And I bought y'all one from Dollar Tree from the $5 section.
We still have it, but I think it was in storage.
Oh, so you gotta replace that then.
We gotta press everything. Football, basketball. Well, at least I still have my soccer ball too.
Alright, in from the park. August had an accident out there, so I gotta give him a bath. He was doing so good today too. No problems until the end of the day. So, I mean, hey, you win some, you lose some, but I still think he's doing an amazing job with his body training. Okay, here I am again, back in the wonderful laundry room. Because anything that, you know, gets bodily fluids, so forth as like poop, pee, vomit, barf, that type of thing, goes in the washing machine immediately. I don't let it wait till my next wash day. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw all these little outfit in the washing machine now. Trying to get these children down for bed so that I can get up and get myself ready for bed, you know. Maybe have an hour to myself. Call my boyfriend, you know. Psych.
What?
and yeah, just chill. Yo, tell me why I done fell asleep trying to get August to go to bed. And I fell asleep on my hair and smushed the side of my head. Oh Lord. I be trying to make sure that Like if I lay down, I'll be like on my arm, unless I got my scarf on so I don't smush my curls, but they should. Once I put it up like this and take it back down, it should come back to its life. Should. So, let's hope for that. I realized I kind of didn't vlog very much today, which is kind of crazy. Dinner, we did, what we did today? We did chicken, beef ribs, rolls, potato salad, and green beans. August had his bag early when he came out. Because he had a little accident earlier. And then had the nerve to have another one. I'm like, I was always celebrating, talk about something. Oh, we only had, as far as that went, it was a pretty good day because we only had one accident. This boy came and did another one shortly after. But what I think it is that kids, like boys, potty train 50% of the way. So he might always come and use the potty for number one, but for number two, they often forget or just feel more comfortable going in their pants oftentimes. They will use the potty here and there, but the first thing that comes to their mind would be to use it on themselves like they typically would do in their diaper or pull-up. I noticed that because now with him being my third boy, I went through this process of they only be potty trained 50-50. While with my daughter, it's like she was always aware and just going on the potty for both things. You know what I mean? Like once she got the hang of it, it was just the potty. With them, it's always like a 50-50 situation. So I'm pretty much used to it, you know? So I just know this is going to be a process. He probably will be potty trained closer to the age of 4 than he is 3, but I'm trying not to go all the way till next year, May, because you know he gonna go to school in August of next year, and I just want to know that he's doing number 2 and probably doing the aftercare procedures of number 2 properly, so that if he have to go to school, he's okay, you know. So now I see. First, I used to be so pissed off, like how dare them say your child gotta be this and this age before they go to pre-K and blah, blah, blah. No, it makes perfect sense to me now. Why they say you got to be 4 by the age of, by the date of August 31st before you can come to pre-K. It makes perfect sense now, because anything after that, it's like you're young. You're probably still going through that potty training phase, pooping on yourself all the time. Still want your mommy, you know what I mean? Like August definitely still wants his mommy all day. But he did do pretty decent at his old school. Well, before things went to crap there, he was doing pretty decent. And it just makes perfect sense to me now. So I get it. Ace has a lot going on at school, 2 activities, one of which I have to attend. Really, honestly, the whole rest of the month is going to be super busy, because guess what? Not only this week do Ace got a lot going on at school, but then next week is both of our birthdays, another activity at school. It's just a whole lot going on. I'm just like, bro, I hope my social media will be able to take all of this, because I'm not very social. I don't be trying to kick it. I don't be wanting to go do a whole bunch of stuff around a whole bunch of people. I just like being left alone. You know what I'm saying? But of course I'm going to go support my kid. Of course I'm going to go to his events and his activities and stuff like that. But child, it's like, it's so much back to back. Like, I don't like doing a bunch of stuff. I like going out only when I want to, not because someone is asking me to. Or there's some event that's requiring me to come. Like, I don't know. I was actually just talking to my daughter about this earlier, and I was like, bro, I really think I should just move back to Jamaica. That's the life for me, where you just you know, you probably already got some land there from your grandparent or your dad or somebody, so you can build your own house on your land and just, you know what I mean? It's not like such a hustle and bustle type of community where, oh my God, I gotta be up by this time to go to work. I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta, like, it's more of like an easier life. Some people live in the daggone woods, you know? Like, it's just, I don't know, it's just like a more free, much more less obligated type of living, you know? And it's, like I always say, we do what we want, others gotta do what they can about it. Like, it's just so much different. It's slower, easier, just easier, you know what I'm saying? And I seen a girl on TikTok crying and saying she hated here. She want to go back to Jamaica. It's too much stress. She don't have to worry about all these bills and this and that and all. Like, it's too much. Like, it is a very demanding life. And I guess you don't know the difference if you've never experienced anything else or really been exposed to people that have experienced anything else. It's just like, wow, it really is just a hustle and bustle, stressed out life here. Like, if you're not rich, and not to say that money is gonna make everything okay, but I mean, that solves a lot of your problem when it comes to like your needs, you know what I'm saying? But it is very hustle and bustle here, and it's like a robot type of living. Be here by this, be here by that, school, kids go to school by this and that, do this, do that, pay this by this, pay this by that. Oh, you ain't pay your bill? Okay, here come the eviction man, okay, the sheriff, okay, the repo man, okay, the light bill man, oh, this man, oh, that man. Like, it's just, they just be on your back trying to drive you to a place of insanity. So when I watched that video, I understood, like, wholeheartedly. Why am I scrolling on TikTok, right? And this thing says, somebody called the CPS on Cardi B at 11 p.m. And Cardi B plans to sue CPS and everybody involved. Why would somebody go call, even if they call at the middle of the night, why are you coming to her home at 11 p.m.? How do y'all know where this girl live? I hate these people, I swear I do. Because they love making unnecessary trouble in people's life and playing games to try to get at people by now trying to attack their family. Like, unless they know something I don't, this comes off like it's just another stupid prank. Because they done said, people that sent pizza to that girl house, like all types of weird stuff. Like, what's wrong with these people? Alright, you guys, I'm headed to the sack, okay? I'm exhausted. I'm only going to get a couple hours of sleep before it's time to get up and get them ready for school. But at least this video is done, and we have accomplished and caught up. I probably have to just edit it early tomorrow morning and put it out so that you guys can have it. I know this one was kind of short, but see y'all in the next one. Also, make sure that you check out my boutique, Paired by AllisonAlanna. All of the sets on there are $20 or less. Make sure you shop, grab a couple because they're super, super cheap. And we're trying to restock for fall and winter. Get some cute long sleeve items on in there with pants and things like that. More like, sort of like athleisure wear in a sense. So, get those. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.